Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Accounts Guru Cool. Learn accounting online. So today we are here with one more technical interview questions or it's assessment questions related to accounting and finance, and that's how do the three financial statements connect? How do the three financial statement connects? This is one of the questions asked in the technical interview round or in assessment test. Then how you're going to give the answer for that. That's all we are going to discuss here. So request viewers to be with us till the end of this to have a more insight about how you have to give the answer for this. How do the three financial statements connect? And in addition to that, if you have any query, if you want me to create any content, then you can put it in the comment. We are going to consider for that. And request viewers to like, share, and subscribe our channel to get a more insight related to accounting and finance. So this is going to be the one of the important questions from the technical interview round. And if you are going to apply for senior managers or a lead, then this sort of questions is going to be there. How do the three financial statements connect? So this is going to be more towards to analyze your skills, analyze your expertise, analyze your experience, how you're going to give the answer for that, and how you yourself are able to have an uh, knowledge towards how that three financials going to connect any which ledgers going to hit to all these three statements. So we have to give the examples for that. So now if you see here, there are multiple linkage points. First, we have got net income on the income statement that links to retained earnings on the balance sheet, and the multiple linkage points, that's true. First, but we have to give the some examples. First, we got net income on the income statement. So that's from the P&L. That's a net profit or loss. And that link to retain earnings on the balance sheet. So now the three financial statement linkage, out of that one is net income from the P&L, retained earning towards the balance sheet, as retained earnings is calculated as a beginning retained earning plus net income minus dividend. So on a two financial statements is linked, and the third, then the cash flow statement, it connect as a net income under cash flow from operations. So you have to give the answer towards this. Yes, there are multiple linkage points. First, we have got net income on the income statement. Then that's going to be a part towards the balance sheet as a retained earning. And in a cash flow, it connect as a net income under cash flow from operations. That's one of the examples. Second, another link has to do with depreciations on the income statement which connect to the non-current. So first income statement which connects to the non-current asset side on balance sheet. That's because property, plant and equipment under non-current assets are calculated as a gross PPE plus cash expenditures minus accumulated depreciations. So the depreciation is parked towards the P&L, second towards the non-current assets, and third, in addition to that, depreciation also linked to the cash flow statement under operating cash flow. And PPE from the balance sheet links to investment in PPE on cash flow statement. So you have to give the such kind of scenario. There might be a multiple linkage, but you have to give the some one or two examples when you are explaining or giving the answer to such sort of technical questions. How do the three financial statements connect? There are a few other links like cash, but this should be enough to prove your understanding. So what we discuss here is that if you see the depreciations, depreciation is in the P&L statement, and second, this depreciation is connecting towards the balance sheet in a non-current assets, and from non-current asset that's connecting towards the cash flow as in depreciations. So three financial statement is connect. That's a connecting together. Second, if it's a net income loss, that's going to park towards net income in cash flow from operations. And second, that's a net income towards retained earning. So that's the link of all these three financial statements to connect. So you have to give the answers in a that way. So thanks guys for being with us till the end. And this is related to how do the financial statements connect, and you have to give the answers in a better way, and you have to say is key. Yes, there are multiple scenarios, but yes, giving the two examples, and that's going to be connect like this towards the three financial statement. So thanks guys for being with us till the end, and request viewers to like, share and subscribe our channel to get a more insight related to accounting and finance. In addition to that, if you're looking for any sort of training related to accounting and finance, you can connect with us on our email ID accounts.gurukul@yahoo.com. Thank you.